Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going with the continue next new chapter of class 8, working with queries, form, and report. This is all related to the Microsoft Access database system. Database of any organization contains a huge amount of data. It may consist of the multiple table. When the numbers of records in a table increase, it becomes an uphill task for any users to extract the specific records from the table. So Microsoft Access provides us a solution for this problem through the queries. So queries solve these particular problems, and after queries, query has many things in like as the field, table, show, sort criteria, and specify simple criteria, specify multiple criteria, and creating a query in the wizards. And new point is form. Form is a piece of paper on which user fill the required information in the specific field. So form is also a topics in the Microsoft Excel. Formatting of form. And report is the effective way to organize any summarized data for viewing or printing. A report can be created exactly in the same way you have created a form. So these are the very related things. And query, finally recap, a query is a database object that help you to retrieve view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria is specified for you. And Microsoft Access provide various types of the queries: select, parameter, crosstab, action, queries, SQL. Relationships are the link that associated a field one tables with the same fields in another tables. So Access provide two-way to create a query through the query wizards and query design. A criteria property contains the conditions on the basis of which records will be filtered in the query output. So a form is a piece of paper on which a user fill the required information in a specific field. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing the table. So now come to the objective questions. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a database object that helps you to retrieve view information from one and more database table. Answer is query. Second question. In queries, dash property is used to set the condition on the basis of which the records are filtered. That is the criteria. Question number 3. You can set the multiple criteria in a query by using the dash property or property. Question number 4. Dash property used to filter the data either in the ascending or the descending order, that is the sort. And question number 5. The dash allow you to add and update the data in the table one record at a time. Answer is form. And question number 6. A dash is an effective way to organize and summarize data in the printed form. Answer is the report. And now true and false. Queries help you to retrieve information from one and more table that meet a specific condition. Statement true. A report is created exactly in the same way as the form are created. True. And to specify the multiple criteria or the properties you use, the statement is true. Question number 4. You cannot run a query without saving it. A statement false. And the sort property used to filter the data either in the ascending or the descending order is true. And a relationship works with by the matching a field with the same name in the two table. That is true. And once a relation is set, it cannot be deleted. That is the false. The form view is used to change the structure of your table. The statement is false. Now MCQ, that is section B. Which queries allow you to addition, deletion, updation, and appending operation on the data? Action queries. Second question. Which query prompts you to input before running? Answer is parameter query. Third question. Which option is used to change the appearance and size of various control of a form? Answer is layout table. And how many views does Access provide to display a form? 3. And question number 5, which key define a relationship between two tables? Answer is primary key. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Next class I will discuss with the answer of these questions. Okay, thank you, bye.